Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a haul on a few stores. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. That way I can show you guys what I got on my little shopping spree today from Ross, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. So yeah. So we are here at Ross. So I know you guys can like see that, and if not, let me just focus all of that dust. Yeah, say I haven't done my makeup in quite a while, and I'm finally in the mood to do my makeup, but first things first, I need to clean these dusty, like legit dusty brushes because that's how all of them look. So yeah, we are gonna clean these brushes, so let's go. I think I said we're only gonna clean brushes, but I mean we're gonna clean the brushes and beauty blenders, all of my beauty blenders that I have. So I'm gonna put in time-lapse mode, and I just got these. Well, I didn't just get these, but these are like what I use to clean my brushes, and I just got these at like the Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. And they work perfectly fine for me, so yeah. And I'm just going to be using some of my Dial soap. I also got at Dollar Tree, and I really like Dial soap because it's an antibacterial soap, so it's really good, and I just love the way it cleans my brushes and beauty blenders, so yeah. Okay, so first things first, this morning I went to Ross, and this is what I got at Ross. You know how typically like for Christmas, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Ross, they have like cute little bundle packs. So I saw a lot of those there, and what really caught my eye was this one for some reason, this oil-free deep cleansing duo, and it looks like this, and it was only $7.99, so $8. And to be real with you guys, I really wanted it just because of the fact that it had the little cleansing brush. But what really sold me was this picture right here underneath the UV light. Like, literally, I'm really gullible. So this is what I got. I can't wait to use that. I'm very into like skincare because I'm really trying to perfect my skin, especially since I have acne on my forehead. I'm sure you guys have seen it multiple times in my videos. It kind of like fluctuates. My acne does. Like, I'll start getting more acne when it's close like to the end of the month. And like right now my acne is not too bad, you see. Hopefully you guys could see. But yeah, it's not bad at all, like it typically is at the end of the month. So I got that at Ross, and I also got this really cute Adidas sport bra. Oh my god, it is so freaking cute. Look. Well, you guys will see it when I try it on, but I got this cute sport bra. It's like a little tie-dye sports bra, and it's really cute. I'm really obsessed with it. And this was only $13 at Ross, so like that is a steal. And the original price here says $45 at the normal Adidas store, and I'm very cheap, so I'm gonna go to Ross and I'm gonna get the brand stuff for cheaper than what it was. That's just me though. Alright, so here is the Adidas sport bra that I got at Ross. It's really, really cute. Ross, from TJ Maxx, I got this. I've actually purchased this before, but I really, really love these. And I love that there's like 4 in one big little case, I guess is what you would call this. And this is the Precision Beauty Mesh Bath Sponges, and it's a set of 4 for $3.99. And I really like this because you're supposed to replace these sponges every month. So like I'm good for 4 months right here, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the store to purchase a new one for the next month. So yeah. I also got this Benefit Brow Contour Pro from TJ Maxx. Kind of wish I didn't get this, to be honest, because I've already tried it on my eyebrows, and since my eyebrows are really dark, everybody tells me like you need to get like a medium color, because if you get too much of a dark color, then you can tell like they don't look natural. And that's what I did, and I still just don't like how this looks on me. I just don't think doing my eyebrows in general is a look for me. It just looks like weird. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just because I don't know how to do my eyebrows, so that's most definitely the problem. I got these Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub. It says it targets blackheads and shrinks the look of pores. So that's great because I have a lot of blackheads on my nose. And I want to give this a try because I haven't tried this one out. I've tried, I can't remember what the other one's called. It's in like a similar package like this, but it's not by Neutrogena. So yeah, I'm really excited to give these a try and hopefully these work. I also got the Simple Sensitive Skin Micellar Cleansing Water. And I have the Garnier, I think that's how you say it. I'm most likely saying that wrong. But I already had like a little travel size bottle of those, and I really like it. It doesn't feel like greasy when you're taking off your makeup or anything like that. It's just right, and it's perfect for sensitive skin, so hopefully this will do the same thing. Because it says here it's kind to sensitive skin. The only difference is this is a different brand. This one's by Simple. So I really, really hope this will be like the same thing. And last but not least, of course, I got a candle from TJ Maxx. This one smells so, so good. I love candles, especially like for winter or just any time in general. I just love lighting up candles in my room. It smells so good. It's just so like soothing, and I don't know what it is about candles, but I just really love candles. It's like a vibe for me. So yeah, I got the Storm Luxury Fragranced Soy Blend Candle by Sensational, and it smells so, so good. For Marshalls, I got quite a bit. So, I got this really, okay, I'm very plain when it comes to like clothes and stuff, but at the same time, like, a lot of like plain and simple clothes I can do a lot too. I can like match it with a lot. So yeah, I got this cute black crop top. We have this cute plain black crop top. I love how it has this little like mesh piece or whatever you want to call it, twisty piece up here. It's very cute. And I've actually seen a lot of these online, and it was at Marshall's, so I didn't have to wait like a full week to get it. I mean, not that that's a problem or anything, but yeah. It's really cute. I love it. Of course, I wouldn't wear these leggings with this. I'm just keeping this on, just letting y'all know that these are not part of the haul at all. So yeah. Then I got this adult extra large. It's like a sweater, but I'm gonna turn this into something cute, trust me. Okay, so you guys, this really didn't turn out how I wanted it to. I was thinking I got this extra large t-shirt. I can make it into like a cute dress, but it's gonna be a cute nightgown now. It's really comfortable anyways, but I really don't like how it looks like this. Maybe with like leggings it would look better, but yeah, it's gonna be a really cute pajama shirt, best believe that. I got me some leggings, some basic black leggings. You can never go wrong with black leggings. And I really like these leggings, you know, they make the butt look nice and juicy. They're very comfortable, and what I like about them, ignore my socks, my mismatching socks. What I like about them is they're not too tight, like suffocating you. These are a size small, which a size small typically fits me. But I realized when I order online, like athletic wear, I'm not sure if it's from the sites that I'm ordering on, but even in like a size small, it's like suffocating you, like squeezing you so tight that when you take it off, there's literally like line prints or like the design print left right there. Oh my god, and that's pretty uncomfortable, you know. And these, I feel like I can breathe in. They're not too tight, they're just right. And this plain simple white crop top, I love it. I don't really have a lot of white items, but I'm pretty sure it's because maybe they get dirty fast, but I hope that's not going to be the case for this shirt because it's really cute and I like it. The leggings I have on are not part of this haul. These are the leggings that I was originally wearing. So this is what I got from, I can't remember if it's TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It was Marshalls, and it's just a plain white crop top. It's a pretty basic piece, but I'm very obsessed with it and I can't wait to wear it with some like blue jeans. And yeah, it's really cute and I love it. This is a vibe right here because like winter is coming up and I know it's gonna hit, like it's gonna be freezing soon. I just know it. Like it's like 70 something degrees. And like maybe I can't wear this right now, but I know I can wear it sometime later. But anywho, oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. Look at it. I'm gonna have to like put it on with a different shirt for you guys to see, but look. Anywho, really like it and I am so excited to wear this. Okay, you guys probably don't care like that I got this, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways because this is a part of my little haul, I guess. I also got me some body lotion because my skin gets really dry, and I've also realized like my skin is very like, especially my legs and thighs, get really itchy. I don't know why, but I don't know. It happens to me a lot too when I wear certain type of like leggings, depending on like the material and stuff. So hopefully this stuff like works and maybe that problem will go away. Who knows? But this is the O'Keeffe's Clinical Body Skin Repair Body Lotion. It says dry skin relief in one use for 48 hours, so I hope that's true, but this is it right here if you're curious. Alrighty, if you guys are still watching to the end of this video, I really hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.